Assalamu Alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome back to our channel. Today I will tell you what is Ramadan. If you are a non-Muslim, then this video is especially for you. So keep on watching. You might have a rough idea about Ramadan that Muslims fast during this month. And there is a mini party every day which is called Iftar, and by the end of this month there is a celebration day which is called Eid. But I am going to tell you what Ramadan actually is and what is its significance for the Muslims. Ramadan is the month of the Quran, and we Muslims believe that the Quran was sent down on this earth to the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, during this month. Quran is the book of Allah and it is the guidance for the whole humanity. So, during this month, we try to read Quran as much as we can and try to understand it. One of the 5 pillars of Islam is fasting. So, Muslims fast during this month. We can eat or drink anything we want little bit before sunrise, which is before Fajr prayer, and this is called Sahri. After this, we cannot eat or drink anything all throughout day, and at the time of sunset, which is the time of Maghrib prayer, we break our fast, and this is called Iftar. Now, everyone look forward to Iftar because they have been hungry all day long, and this is the most beautiful moment of whole day. Since we remain hungry and thirsty all day long, we understand what pain hungry and poor people go through. So in this month, Muslims gives a lot of charity which is called Sadaqah, and obligatory charity which is called Zakat. And other reason why this month is very important is because the Shaitan and his team lurk during this month. Therefore, he cannot convince us to do anything bad. Hence, it becomes very easy for us to do good deeds and become more close towards our Creator Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. We Muslims believe in life after death, and we believe there would be a day of Qiyamah in which every single person will be held accountable for everything they did. If they did good deeds or bad deeds, they have to bear the results of it. Ramadan is also known as the month of forgiveness, and we ask forgiveness from our Creator Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. In Ramadan, every single good deed that we do is multiplied by several times. Hence, the reward is much more. Also, the du'as are accepted a lot during this month, especially at the time of Iftar. Muslims pray a lot during the nights of Ramadan. There is a special prayer which is called Tarawih, which held in mosque. Ramadan teaches us self-control, and we believe Allah is watching us all the time. Hence, we don't eat or drink anything. Ramadan also teaches us to be thankful and grateful for whatever we have. We realize the value of food, water, and a lot more. Every person is equal in front of Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. This is the beauty of Islam. So, in this month, we try to become a better human, and we try to strengthen our relation with our Creator Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, because we believe ultimately we have to return back to Him. So this is how Ramadan is important for us. And lastly comes the day of Eid, which you all might know about it. Eid is like the celebration of successful Ramadan. On this day, Muslims wear new clothes, and there is a special Eid namaz that is done, and Muslims meet with their friends and family. If you found this video informative, then please share this video to your friends and family and let them know what Ramadan is. I request you to subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon and follow me on Instagram. See you in the next video with a new topic. Till then, Assalamu Alaikum.